Well, I was thinking about maybe because my vlogging voice just starts to crackle and scatter all over about at 30 miles an hour. Right now it's okay. So my last resort was maybe because of the windshield. So let's give that a try and see if that's the cause. Let's go. Face the road. Okay, I'm doing a mic test. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Cruising down Tangerine. Okay, I'm recording again. I-10 eastbound. Well, I'm just about there. A little construction going on this exit here. This is Houghton. And where I'm going is that way, just a little ways. Okay. A lot of construction going on. Just gotta take it slow. Nice sunny day, 92 degrees, 10:21. It's gonna get warm though. This event that's going on, it's a motorcycle and car show. So I'm getting ready to take off here. Getting a little warm. I know I'm in the shade, so it says 94, but that's just a little warmer than that. Still shooting up some pin-up with the photographer out there, with this guy here from Tucson, his 61 Chevy Impala. And this guy came down from Phoenix, wanted to shoot his car, and called up this pin-up girl. The cost is all on him. The bikes here, same ones here. Might have been a few of them that have left. A few more is going on. There's the event.